Hi everybody, it is August and I wanted to show you my Desertnyi pomegranates which are ready to go. Desertnyi is a wonderful variety to have. It tastes to me like a sweet glass of lemonade. It's got a little bit of citrus overtone and it is also sweet at the same time. And they're ready for the picking, which is another reason I like them, because they extend my pomegranate season into August. My other pomegranates are ready in September, October, and November. But these ones, I can start eating these, or I could let them hang all the way to November. Here it is next to a Parfianca. You can see the Parfiancas are still getting ready to go. That one's still greenish, as is this one. So you can see it's going to be about another month, because when these are ready, they turn almost completely red, like a Wonderful. The flavor is also similar to Wonderful, although the seeds are soft. There's a very nice taste, very acidic, very tart, very wonderfully balanced pomegranate. You also can't go wrong with. And I've been very fortunate and lucky to have a friend gift me this pomegranate here, and this is the Aaron pomegranate. The Aaron pomegranate is a tropical pomegranate from Malaysia. It comes by way of Laguna Hills Nursery in Southern California. I always wanted one of these. I never imagined I'd actually have one, so I'm very thankful to have that in my collection, my little pomegranate jungle. And to show you one more to prove to you that this Desertnyi is an early variety. Here is a sweet variety, which is white but turns a little pinkish and gets a lot bigger than that when those are ready. There it is. There's more of them. So again, if you want to extend your season, if you like the taste of a sweet glass of lemonade, then you should try growing a Desertnyi pomegranate, and hopefully you can enjoy them too. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.